Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Petrogas Angels ang Capital One Solar Spikers 25-19, 25-18, 25-9. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Myla Pablo sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 11 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace at 1 excellent reception. Nagtala si Phillips ng 6 points, Palma 7 points, Pontillas 5 points, Cheng 5 points, 2 aces, 13 excellent sets. Van Sekel 13 points, 10 attacks, 9 digs, 3 excellent receptions. Pablo 14 points, 11 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace, 1 excellent reception. Barbon 5 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Adolfo ng 2 points. Galdones 2 points. Mosa 5 points, 2 blocks. Chamson 3 points. Tempiatura 12 digs. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagdala si Niegos ng 3 points. Clemente Di Guzman 6 points, 5 attacks, 1 block. Cruz 2 points. Tolinada 2 points, 9 excellent sets. Singh 3 points at 1 ace. Genesis 1 point. Doromal 7 excellent receptions. Nagtala naman si Alvarez ng 2 points at 4 digs. Estrella 1 point. Villegas 1 point. Ginoo 8.7 attacks, 1 block at 5 digs. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis din ng Creamline Call Smashers ang Farm Fresh 25-15, 25-19, 27-25. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jay Magalansa sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 12 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces, 5 digs at 5 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Panaga ng 5 points at 5 blocks. De Leon 5 points, Carlos 7 points, 7 attacks, Negrito 8 points, 15 excellent sets, Pons 7 points, Galanza 15 points, 12 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces, 5 digs, 5 excellent receptions, Atienza 9 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Alaysa Valdez ng 8 points, 2 aces, 12 digs, 9 excellent receptions, Bernardo 2 points, De Jesus 5 excellent receptions. Para naman sa natalong Farm Fresh, nagtala si Tagsip ng 2 points, Cruz 4 points, Viray 11 points, 9 attacks, 2 blocks, 5 digs, Romero 1 point, 10 excellent sets, Bertolano 8 points, 8 attacks, 14 excellent receptions, De La Cruz 2 points, Delerio 8 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Rachel Andakis ng 1 point, Abellana 2 points, Tobo 2 points, Turing 3 points, 1 block at 1 ace. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of February 11, 2025. Creamline Call Smashers 9 wins, 0 loss, 25 points. Petrogas Angels 8 wins, 1 loss, 23 points. Signal HD Spikers 6 wins, 3 losses, 19 points. PLDT High Speed Hitter 6 wins, 3 losses, 18 points. Chocomocho Flying Titan 6 wins, 3 losses, 15 points. Akari Chargers 5 wins, 5 losses, 15 points. Chiritigo Crossovers 5 wins, 5 losses, 14 points. Zos Thunderbells 4 wins, 5 losses, 14 points. Farm Fresh 4 wins, 6 losses, 13 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 8 losses, 5 points. NLEX Lead Chameleons 1 win, 8 losses, 3 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 9 losses, 4 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 13, 2025 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena. Maghaharap ang Chocomocho Flying Titans at NLEX Lead Chameleons alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Signal HD Spikers at Zos Thunderbells alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.